Welcome to the course Introduction to Storage and Conveyor Systems. In this course, we will explore the essential technologies used in storage, retrieval, transportation, picking, and object manipulation within intralogistics systems. By the end of this module, you will be able to explain the purpose and functioning of these technologies, participate in planning logistics systems in a systematic and structured manner, and select the most appropriate technologies for specific tasks. Additionally, you will be able to justify your technology decisions in logistics automation projects and engage effectively with various stakeholders, including customers, consultants, sales managers, planning engineers, and management. This is an asynchronous course. That means I will record the lectures as videos and you can go through them at your own pace, whenever it suits you. This approach has several advantages, but also some drawbacks. First and foremost, for this semester, we simply don't have another option. That being said, you're probably familiar with the challenge of not being able to take notes on everything important during an in-person lecture. Additionally, we often discuss topics, sometimes just in passing, that aren't included in the lecture slides. This is where the asynchronous format has its strength. You can rewatch each video, pause when needed, and take your time to go over sections that aren't immediately clear. You can also watch lectures with your classmates and discuss them together without disrupting the course. Of course, there are downsides as well. You can't ask me questions during the lecture. I also can't see you, which means I won't be able to tell from your facial expressions whether you are following along or not. And naturally, watching videos is no substitute for real human interaction. But, as mentioned, for now we don't have an alternative. That doesn't mean you can't ask me questions. I've set up a forum on our e-learning platform where you can post your questions in either German or English. Your classmates and I will be able to see them and respond. The advantage of taking questions publicly is that others will realize they are not the only ones with uncertainties, which may encourage them to ask their own questions. Plus, you can often learn a lot from questions others ask. Sometimes they raise points you wouldn't have thought of, but that are still important. Of course, you can also email me. If there's something you'd rather not discuss publicly, we can set up an online meeting or a phone call. I hope that, in the end, this asynchronous format will be more of an advantage than a disadvantage for you, and I'll do my best to make these lectures engaging. You already have my contact data. They haven't changed. I will also offer office hours online, and we can schedule appointments based on both your availability and mine.